Hello. I am back with an interesting video. Today I show you how create a OMR sheet so easily. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's start. At Fissert, open MS Word. Then click Layout tab. Go to Column. Select 2. Then go to the Home tab. Add number. Then change the text color to red. Then our main formula begin. Type 24D0. Then click Alt plus X at a time. Then type 24D1. Click Alt plus X. Then type 24D2. Click Alt plus X as previous. Then type 24D3. Click Alt plus X. Number 1 complete. Then copy this text and paste here one by one. You will get a result like that. Within a minute you can make a Omr sheet very easily. So if you like this video and want more interest videos, then please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.